There's two people that you want to invest in the best, and that's your attorney and your tax CPA.
When did you learn that?
When I realized that CPAs don't give a crap about saving you money, and they just do your books or they just file your taxes, but they don't care about saving you money. And so I remember calling my CPA and I'm like, is there anything we could do to get this down? Like, this is my income. They're like, nope, you just got to pay the taxes. Like, you make money, you got to pay the taxes. I was like, I'm not going to settle for that. And so I started researching the tax code and reading books and researching online, just like I taught myself real estate. And that's where I learned cost segregation and all the different depreciation and writing off expenses. Then I had to teach my CPA at the time what cost segregation is. They didn't even know what it was. So I was like, all right, I need to find like the best tax attorney out there.
Professional that you're paying for services from doesn't know how to actually help you, then I feel like that's kind of on you too, you didn't make a good choice, you didn't ask enough questions, you didn't shop around. I'm sure there are some CPAs out there who do taxes and don't know what cost segregation is, but probably because they're not real estate specialists, right? Any CPA or tax person that routinely works on the books and the taxes for real estate investors 100% knows what cost segregation is. So I would say this is more a lesson of choose providers who are specialists or experienced in the area that you in particular have your business or your money is involved in, and certainly don't pick on price, right? Yes, you go to H&R Block, they very well may not be there to help you save on taxes, but that's because that's not really what they do. What they do is they help people who just have a regular W-2 job file a basic income tax return and stay out of trouble and get a fast refund, right? But if you're a sophisticated investor, a business owner, a real estate investor, don't go to H&R Block, don't go to the cheapest provider you can find, because yes, absolutely that's going to end up costing you a lot of money. We see the same thing all the time. One of our specialties is e-commerce. We have people come to us who went to the down the road CPA or the local CPA in their town or whatever, that didn't know anything about e-commerce and cost them a ton of money, right? But you should know, okay, if I'm in e-commerce, I'm making good money, I should go to an e-commerce specialist for my tax and bookkeeping. Right? They'll likely be able to help me a lot more and save me a lot more, even if they're a little more expensive than the local people. The overall savings and value delivered is going to be huge. I mean, to me, that just seems like it would be common sense, but not everybody figures that out or learns it the first time around, but hopefully you learn it sooner than later so you don't keep making costly mistakes like this lady. Seems like she maybe made some mistakes in the beginning but figured it out after a while, after she'd been in the game for a bit.